Put garlic, ginger, turmeric powder, salt, yogurt and grind well. Now add gram flour and mix it. Put it into big wok. Add 2 jugs of water. Add cloves, cinnamon, star anise, fenugreek seeds and keep it on high flame. Wait for boil and cover the lid for 45 minutes on low flame. Put onions, green coriander, green chili, dry coriander seeds, pomegranate seeds, crushed red chili in a bowl and mix it. Add water gradually. Mix it well. Add corn flour and baking powder. Mix it. Baking powder will keep soft to pakoras and corn flour will prevent to break. Now again check curry and cover the lid up to 20 minutes. Heat the oil and start to fry pakoras. Pakoras are getting fluffy. Now check the curry and remove all whole spices. Now add dry fenugreeks and nigella. Now add pakoras in hot boiling curry. Press with spatula. You will see pakoras getting soft but not broken. Heat oil, add cumin seeds and whole red chili and fry. Put it on curry and mix it. Heat oil and add onion and fry. Put it in curry when get brown. Mix it. For beautiful color, add paprika powder in oil. Fry and spread it on curry. Mix it well. Sprinkle green coriander if you like. Dish out curry. Curry is ready.